Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the battery health on DELL Latitude 5420. To do it, simply search for CMD in the start menu, click on enter and it will open this window. I'm gonna zoom that in a bit. And now type in power CFG space / battery report, like that. Click on enter and now it'll show you the path. It has saved the battery life report file, so you should just select it, beginning with C and ending after L without this dot at the end. Then click on Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy that and go into File Explorer. In File Explorer, click on the top bar and click on Ctrl V to paste it, then click on Enter. Now it is here. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see the design capacity and a full charge capacity. And they are both the most important when it comes to battery life. So, to battery health. So design capacity is the capacity that was there when it was fresh out of factory, and that's the capacity that's supposed to be there. And the bigger the difference between the design capacity and current full charge capacity is, the worse the battery health is. And if you want to know in percent how many percent there is, you should simply go into the calculator, and in the calculator you should type in first the the full charge capacity times 100. So I'm actually not gonna count it in milliwatts because it's like too much numbers here, but you should just simply I'm just gonna cut off the end here, the last 3 digits. I mean, I'm gonna round it, so here I'm gonna round it up to 58. So I'm gonna just type in 58 times 100 divided by the design capacity. So I'm also rounding it up. I'm just cutting off the last 3 digits. So let's divide it by 63, not 36, 63. Equals to 92, which means that I have a 92% battery health currently. So a full charge right now will feel like 93% when the laptop was new. And you can also see some recent usage and some graphs here and other stuff, so you can read that. And that's basically all you should know. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.